Dreams. I just want to thank everyone for the support the last couple videos. I really appreciate the support from all my subscribers. So today I'm going to do a quick review of, if you've seen the thumbnail. Not only is this a good starter kit, but if you've been building for a while, it's still a worthy kit to get. Obviously I got it, so, and I've been building for a while. So it's the Departure tool combo set from, I'm not sure how you say this properly, but Dspaie TCS01. So I got this on Amazon. I'm not going to leave a link to it because my Amazon is a Canadian version, so you just look out this number here, and this will come up for you. So if you're starting out, this is a great kit to start with. It's pretty much got everything that you need to start out. It's got a bit of an overview of the parts on the back. So we'll just open this up and we'll have a look at everything, and okay, so here's the kit. It comes with this kind of explanation of how to set up all the tools that are in here, what they're for, which is really helpful, except for this doubles as I think to hold something. I'm not sure exactly what this is for. Hold model parts, sprues inside of this, I would think. But I'd rather leave it all as is so I could refer back to this if I needed it. So we'll just go ahead and have a look in here. So this is the model part. So if you have a kit that you want to pull apart, this is really good for getting in between the parts and prying them apart. So this would be a really valuable tool if you're gonna rebuild things. So we got our nippers, extremely thin on one end. So I'll just give you a quick example. You can get in there in tight spots if so for example, right here, there's not a lot of room there. These get in there and clip it nice and close. So these are really nice nippers. We also have some blades for the knife here. Hobby knife, really nice handle, feels good. Just your twist and pull to change out your blade. We also have this, it's a what do you call it, panel liner. So I've never used one of these before, but I know Tiffany over at Dirt Road Cinderella uses one of these. So I'm excited to try this out. Like I said, this is not only for beginners, but for somebody who's been modeling for a while, moderate or advanced. This is a great toolkit as well. When I seen these nippers, I wanted a quality pair of nippers, and I was just looking at the nippers themselves, and they were, these aren't cheap. They're like 30 bucks, 25 bucks, somewhere in there, depending on what brand you get. So I wanted to get some good nippers. I just seen this set, so I figured I'd get it. It comes with 3 sanding pads. So you get 1200, 800, and 600, and these are pretty rigid. Really good for the main sanding starting out on your body. So then we have these adhesive sanding pads, or so they're self-adhesive, and you put them onto these carbon fiber pads, and yeah, that's really cool. So just make sure you keep them clean. And we also have some other sanding pads. These are less rigid compared to these ones, but still really useful. Really useful stuff. I'll fix that up later. Anyways, there's also a glass polishing file. It doesn't say the grid on it, but it says superfine buffing. So this is I bought a couple of these already. So I thought this was another nice little polishing file. You get your scissors, collapsible scissors, but these tweezers are really sharp, really fine. Those look really good. And you also get another set, the angle tweezers. So really nice set. I'm excited to use this. I think it's going to be a really good toolkit. And I also recommend that if you are starting out, this would be a great one to start with. And hopefully you guys have gotten something out of this video. And we'll talk to you all soon. Prayers for those who need them out there. I know some guys are struggling out there in the model community. So our prayers go out to those people. And we'll talk to you all soon. Pat out. Model on. Thank you. Thank you very much.